News that's coming in from the state of West Bengal now. A doctor has been raped and then murdered inside a Kolkata hospital. Kolkata court sends the accused to the police custody. 14-day police custody has been given to the murder accused. The accused is all set to stay in the police remand till the 23rd of August. My colleague Suryagini is now joining me on the story. Suryagini, this is a horrific case that has now come to the fore. From what we are understanding, one person has been arrested. The accused has now been sent to 14-day police custody.
Well, it's more than horrific. It's gruesome, and it's, short of words to explain what kind of an incident it was. And especially with a second-year PG student, a service provider, a doctor. In this, one person was detained last night, and then he was arrested. He's got 14-day, police custody. As per police sources, he was a civic volunteer who wasn't deployed over here. A civic volunteer is someone who's a contractual worker with the Home Department, which actually helps, is basically for helping, the local police in maintaining crowd or maintaining traffic and stuff like that. This particular person who has been arrested and 14-day custody has been given, he was with the Central Welfare Division. That basically means that when a police personnel is admitted in a hospital, in a public hospital, they send these people to just check after if something is required or not. He was not really deputed in this particular hospital. Now, this fact of the matter is, this person was he was over here, and finally, he was arrested for what is being said, that he's the main culprit behind it. There's another part to it. The doctor, the students who are the students over here, because it's a medical college as well, they are still here. They are protesting. What they're saying is that they want justice. They have billboards and they have these placards with them. They say that we protest against the murder of our second-year PGT chess department. We want justice. Basically, they have posters. They have, they have been protesting over here, be it rain or, whatsoever. They haven't left the spot. We'll try and have a word. One thing I wanted to, ask you, how long will this protest continue?
আমাদের যতক্ষণ না আমাদের যে সহপাঠী আছে তার যে খুনটা হয়েছে তার যে ইনভেস্টিগেশন না হওয়া পর্যন্ত আমরা আমাদের শান্তিপূর্ণ
পুলিশ একজনকে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে, তাকে 14 দিনের কাস্টাডি দেওয়া হয়েছে, সেটা নিয়ে কি বলবেন?
হ্যাঁ, এটা প্রাথমিক দৃষ্টিতে তাকে তো আটক করেছে। এবারে পুলিশ তার যে ইনভেস্টিগেশন সে চালিয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমরা এটা সঠিক ইনভেস্টিগেশন না হওয়া পর্যন্ত আমরা এখান থেকে আন্দোলন থেকে উঠবো না, এবং যে পোস্টমর্টম রিপোর্ট আছে সেটাকে পেশ করতে হবে, এটাই আমাদের দাবি। একদম সবাইকে।
সিসিটিভি আছে ভালোভাবে?
সিসিটিভি সব জায়গায় আছে আপাতত। তো যে জায়গাটায় হয়েছে সেই জায়গাটা সিসিটিভি এখনো ফুটেজ এখনো দেওয়া হয়নি কর্তৃপক্ষের তরফ থেকে। তাই কর্তৃপক্ষের তরফে আমাদের এই আন্দোলন চলবে।
Right, Suryagini.
One of the student doctors who's sitting over here, and what they claim is that they want justice for the girl, for the doctor, for their colleague, and to make sure that such an incident is not repeated, not only over here but in any university, college throughout the country. Back to you.
Thank you, Suryagini, for giving us all those details. The students are still out there in the city of West Bengal protesting against the gruesome murder. Now, an initial post-mortem report of the postgraduate trainee doctor found dead at Kolkata's RG Kal Medical College and Hospital revealed she was sexually assaulted before being murdered. One person has been arrested in connection with the case amid all the junior doctors now protesting right outside the campus.
Massive outrage after the death of a 31-year-old PG trainee doctor at the government-run RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. The initial autopsy report says the victim was allegedly raped before being killed. According to the autopsy report, there was bleeding from victim's eyes and mouth and injuries all over her face and nail. Victim also bled from her private parts. There were injuries in her belly, left leg, neck, right hand, ring finger and lips. Reports suggest the victim was first strangulated and then smothered to death. One person has been arrested in the case so far.
We are following a very, very transparent investigation here, and if there is any demand from the family that they want the investigation to be carried out by some other agency, from our side, there is absolutely no problem.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has assured stern punishment.
मैजिस्ट्रेरियल इंक्वायरी जिसको बोलता है, कोई भी अननेचुरल डेथ में जो होता है वो किया गया है.
The Chief Minister has assured the victim's family justice will be done.
এই যে দেখছেন যে রাজনীতির ছোঁয়া লাগতে দিচ্ছি না, রাজনীতির লোক আমাদের অনেক ঝামেলা করছে, অন্য রাজনীতির দলের লোক, আমরা কোনো ছোঁয়া দিতে চাইছি না। না, আমরা সাধারণভাবেই থাকতে ভালো আছি। সব ঘটে গেছে সেটার জন্য পূর্ণ তদন্ত হয় আর চারাটা সুষ্ঠু বিচার পাই। আমরা মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর উপরে টোটাল সম্পূর্ণ আস্থা রেখেছি, মুখ্যমন্ত্রী যা করবেন আমরা সেদিকে।
The BJP staged protests claiming collapse of law and order under Mamata's rule.
हम लोग चाहते हैं कि परिवार ये बोले कि वो प्रिजर्व करे बॉडी, और कल हम लोग केंद्रीय सरकार के कोई अस्पताल से पोस्टमार्टम करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ का ये सरकार का स्टेट सिस्टम से अगर पोस्टमार्टम हो तो जो सच्चाई है वो फिर से दब जाएगा.
There is outreach in Kolkata as well as in the West Bengal as the doctors have started protesting against the alleged crime that has happened in the Arjikar hospital, and right now you can see that parts of doctors, those who are right now protesting, they are demanding that they are the saviors of the community, and right now they have been attacked and the alleged murder has happened already.
The rape and murder case has sent shockwaves across the nation. Victim's family only hopes that justice will be done quickly. With Suryagini Roy, Anirban Roy in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.